Make a genie. Rotate to your left. Breath in. Hold it. Rotate left. Lean back, look up. All the way. Breathe. Rotate to your right. All the way right. Good. Lean back, look up. There's something over there, huh?
Yeah, right shoulder.